welcome back to the Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with the unboxing of Space and Beauty planner. I actually wanted a health planner, so I thought it was coming with a great offer. I'll put all the details in the description box, so you can see. I came with bubble wrap. I've opened bubble wrap everything and I've kept everything in here. These are the goodies. Let me put them aside. First we'll see the planner. Beautiful. You have an option of choosing black or pink, and I've selected pink. It's a very light baby pink color, and it's a book type planner. So yeah, that's the size of the planner. It has the fabulous me, and it has these details about me, the real me. I actually like the illustrations. It's really nice. There's a lady with holding a dog there. You can call your put your details here. You can put your details here. You can mention your favorite dish, color, shop, hobbies, outfits. And then you have the resolutions of the year, affirmations of the year. It's so colorful. And you have, if you want to plan for your birthday, you can actually, how old are you turning, plans for the day, sketch your cake, outfit of the day, guest list. It's really cool to capture your birthday. And you have a memory board here, like a vision board or kind of memory board. I think whenever you go out, you can click pictures and put it here, so it's good. You can capture your memories. And then you have a dream journal here. Deep secrets, you can share your secrets. It's a fantasy board. Then you have a vision board. I'll be using it to decorate today. And you have level 10 goals. Normally you have different goals in level 10. You have family, personal, fun creation, finance, career, and then you have level 10 life. You can actually mark I think how happy you are or how developed you are and how you have connections with your family. Based on this, you can actually plan your goals. And then you have an idea board. You can pin down all your ideas, and also you have achievement board, which is good. I'll use this. And then you have a wish list, travel goals and things to buy. I really like this. You have this map here, so you can if you want to go around the world, you can actually mention that. There's things to do and packing list. You have another room, and then you can mention my world, and it's cool. It's about life partner. Then you have your mom, dad. I miss my dad. Siblings, BFF, gang, priorities. I think this is good. And the bookstagram, if you whenever you finish reading a book, you can write it down. It's cool. And the wall of movies and TV shows watch list. I think I'll use this to have my Netflix series there. Quotes and my money, saving. Have the moods here. You can track your mood from January to December, all the days. You have period tracker and sickness tracker. I think this is important for me. Quite often I've been falling sick last couple of months, so I think it's good for me to understand what's going on with my body and how I have to work to make it good. And improvement plans, you have plans for your body, mind, work around me, relationship. Then you have sacred ritual. I'll really use this one. Morning and evening ritual, I have to use it. And I really like this space which has products I use, so I can pin down what all I use. And then you have a cleaning schedule, you can plan it, which is good. If you have something like monthly, you have to clean your wardrobe, kitchen, and anything you have monthly cleanup, biannually, annually, bi-weekly, daily, weekly. I think this is good. And you have my social fandom and my password, description, who borrowed what, gifts, best day of the year. So pretty. January, it's so beautiful. Have the monthly spread. I really like this illustration. And you have the daily spread. You have review, reflect and respond. What's working, what do I need, how am I feeling, what do I reflect. You have current obsessions. You have a habit tracker, you can track 9 habits here. It's good. Sleep tracker, I really need it. Expense tracker, your meal plan. You have the next month. yeah, that's how it is. That's March, and that's April, and that's May. Wow, June is colorful. I think it's really good. This book has this kind of leveling out, so whenever you're using a page, you can actually use it to the end of it. Normally books have like this, you will not be able to use the last one, but this actually is good. July, August, September, October, November, December. They have this color it up pages here, which is good. So it actually helps you, focus, meditate, release your stress. So many different patterns here. It's beautiful. It's good. And then you have nail art. It's cute. You have doodle pad. You can draw something, my playlist, anything which you like, the songs, pen it down, few pages to write something down. And yeah, that's the planner. It's really good. It's beautiful, simple, not simple, you have a lot of actually options. It's really nice to track down your health, everything. So yeah, that's about the planner. And let's see what we got in the freebies. These are the freebies I got with the MySpace planner. One is this You Go Girl. It's really pretty. And then you have this phone holder to take pictures. A postcard. It's a plain postcard. Playing cards. Kind of bookmark. Notebook. It's a plain notebook. You have notes. You also have a to-do list. A kind of book, plain book. This is the one I really wanted to buy this planner. Otherwise I had plans to buy another planner, but because of I'm getting this as free in this, I bought this one because they're lot of stickers in this. It's really this itself cost you 700 rupees. It's the ultimate a sticker book, and I think this is this year's book. If you buy a sticker book in their website, they give you the last year's one, but only with this planner you're getting this latest sticker book. And theme is more greenery or cozy, and it's about garden theme. It's like a summery vibe. Stickers, these stickers like the cards, have food courts, and food, more food. These are the icons, trendy ones. Good vibes. Loads and loads and loads and loads of stickers. I really love this. So this is the main reason why I picked this Space and Beauty planner, but I'm happy with these two, and I got all the other goodies free. This is all I got from Space and Beauty. So yeah, I really love this. So thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.